Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you the latest update of Redmi 4 along with its features. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, the first update in the list is notification shade and quick reply. So with the new update, they have changed the notification panel look and they have introduced a new feature called quick reply. So with this feature, you can reply to all your messages directly from the notification panel. The next feature in the list is one-time data limit, which allows you to set a limit when you are sharing your portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So when the limit is exceeded, the Wi-Fi will be turned off automatically. So coming to the next feature is adding photos to the favorite. So after you click a photo, just tap on the photo and in the top right corner you will see a heart symbol. So when you click on it, your photo will be added to the favorites album. So coming to the next feature is an inbuilt photo cleaner that is introduced along with the gallery app. What you have to do is you just need to click on the three dots on the right end of the screen and you will see an option called photo cleaner. And it will scan all the files in the gallery and it will show you the unwanted files like screenshots or the files which are already backed up to MI Cloud. So coming to the next feature I have noticed is they have made a lot of changes to the browser. They have introduced the quick search options, they have adjusted the position of the search bar and the browser seems pretty much faster than before. So coming to the next update is a dialer update which will allow you to quick dial. So to set this feature you just need to tap on any of the number and assign a contact to that. So other than these features, there are a lot of bug fixes and they have claimed to say that they have increased the battery life. I still have to test it out for 2 to 3 days to completely see if the battery life is improved. But the initial impression suggests that the battery backup is improved and the heating is being a bit reduced. So other than that, it is quite good to update to the latest version 9.5.4. So that's it guys. That's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.